Hi there, I'm up. Well, hola. Hi everybody. Today I'm in Castro Urdiales, I think, but if I haven't said it right or pronounced it right, I sort of like put it in the description. So I've sort of like, so I'm Castro Urdiales, and it's in a small like town just over there. I'm just going to walk over there and see what it's like. So I'll just see you later. Oh, it's so beautiful. Right, I've got my flip-flops on at the moment, and I'm going to walk right over the other side, and I will take you, it's so beautiful though. I'm going to walk right to the other side and see what it's like. Apparently it's meant to be really nice. So it's a beautiful day, nice and breezy because you're by the sea. So yeah, but it's not cold. It's October. And I went swimming the other day and it was really hot. Oh wow, look at that. Buddy, I parked right over there somewhere, and instead of parking in town. Well, apparently if you see anything like blue lines, that's what you have to pay. And if you see anything with white lines, that's no pay, so you don't have to pay. So I went all the way over there, and it's a beautiful walk anyway, beautiful walk, and I've still got some walking to do. So as you can see, I'm wearing flip-flops. No walking shoes, but you know, hey-oh, I'm enjoying myself. I'm just taking my time, and yeah, and I show you the town. So I'll show you when I get there. So remember, blue lines you pay, and white lines you don't have to pay. So it's just a little bit of a walk, so I don't mind. So I've got free parking anyway. So I shall see you later. Still walking. My flip-flops. Not the ideal shoes for walking. And a long dress as well. I'm nearly there, look, nearly coming to a nice beach. Got to be very careful at the moment, so I'm walking very slowly because of my flip-flops and my long dress and my maxi dress. Look at that. That's beautiful. Oh, hang on a minute. Whee! I'll just show you that, and then I'm just going to concentrate on I'll just concentrate on where am I going. So I shall see you later. Come across this, and I think somebody got killed by wearing flip-flops coming all the way down, just wearing flip-flops like me, silly thing. It's a killer trying to walk with some flip-flops. You haven't got no balance whatsoever. I mean, I've still got a way to go. There we are, Plicio. I'm down here at last, and that was really tricky. It was an easy walk, but when you're wearing like flip-flops and it's going down like that, and it's quite slippery, it's quite hard. But if you're wearing trainers, it'd be no trouble, really easy. So you know, and plus with a long maxi dress on, this sort of. But I've just come across this, and it's all in English. I'm gonna just let you read it. Oh, this is the, so all this over here's got numbers, and that would be, all that would be like that over there, as you can see it all over there. That's where I'm going to walk to, and I'll just show you this. I hope you can pause it. I hope I've got it all in. You can pause it and read it. So see, and then you've got that bit there. Right, hope that's long enough for you to read. I shall see you in a minute, and it's got lovely beach over there. Okay, I'm going to sort of like, I think that's a castle over there somewhere. I have to go over there and look at the views. We've got a nice park over there as well. That's where I came from, up there. This is the way I came all the way from up that hill up there, coming down with flip-flops. I'll see you later. This statue, and I don't know whether it's armless, if it's meant to be like that without an arm. And this is what it's called. I can't pronounce it. Monumento de la Niger or something. I don't know. But yeah, statue. And come across over here. Look at this. It's got some lovely artwork, but the only thing that spoils the lovely artwork is the graffiti. I just draw all over. Remember I told you last time? And that's where I walked all the way from over that way somewhere, and then come here. But got all these cars that's parked, and they're all blue lines. But I'm just going to go and take you straight over that way. There. I think it's a castle or something. And I'll show you the Spanish board. I don't know what that means. There's signs up there. And this is the Spanish board where they put things on, you know. And oh look. Very pretty, isn't it? I'll show you this. Okay. This must be the harbour. So I'm going to take you up there to see what's up there. So I shall see you when I'm up there. Come across. Very pretty. Another statue and some beautiful flowers. Look at that little roundabout, and look at these. I noticed these in Spain, these like weird trees. Let's see, I see them everywhere. And look at the size of that palm tree. Wow, look at that. There you've got a statue there. Must be some sort of famous person. I can hear some music somewhere. I don't know whether it's a band. And you've got all this, look. How pretty is this? Hey, how pretty. All these lovely flowers. Then you've got very pretty place, but I haven't seen a toilet yet. You know. Oops. Yeah. And you've got lovely restaurants. And here, yeah, I think over there you've got bandstand, and you've got, look at all these weird looking trees. Really weird. Lovely though, different. along here. Right now, all these are shut. Some of them are open, but you can imagine what it's like in the summertime. I bet it's all packed full of people. And now, what is my favourite building? Is it that over there? This is my favourite building. This one over here. I like this one because it reminds you of Disneyland. Disneyland hotels. That reminds you of Disney in Florida. That building there is very pretty. And this is where I come walking up here. And then I'm walking all the way down here. Well, that's a ball. That is a ball. Oh, look at that one with the big balls. Nice balls. Oops. That one. God. Do you see those big balls? Oh, another big balls there. Another big one.